Ever wondered how long quartz countertops last? Quartz countertops, a blend of up to 95% natural quartz and polymer resins, are a top pick for kitchens and bathrooms. Their popularity stems from not only their aesthetic appeal, similar to granite or marble, but also their incredible durability. Engineered to resist chips, burns, and scratches, these countertops are built to last. The blend of quartz and resins creates a non-porous surface, making it resistant to stains, bacteria, and water damage. With proper care, quartz countertops can last a lifetime, but what does that entail? The lifespan of quartz countertops is impressively long. Their average lifespan stretches across several decades, with some manufacturers even offering lifetime warranties. This is a testament to their durability and strength. However, it's worth noting that many warranties are limited to 10 to 15 years, which could be an underestimation of the actual longevity of these countertops. Quartz countertops come with an array of properties that contribute to their long lifespan. They are known for their stain resistance, uniform appearance without imperfections, and adaptability to various spaces. They are also heat resistant, although not entirely heat-proof, adding another layer to their durability. Maintenance is key to preserving the lifespan of quartz countertops. Regular cleaning with mild detergent and warm water is recommended, along with the avoidance of abrasive sponges or harsh chemicals. Despite their scratch-resistant nature, using a cutting board is also advised to prevent potential dulling of knives. So, with a little care, your quartz countertop can be a long-lasting addition to your home. But longevity isn't just about maintenance. It starts with high-quality materials and professional installation. Enter NorthWest Stone Fabricators. They're masters in the art of countertop installation, emphasizing the importance of both quality materials and expert craftsmanship. Their secret recipe for longevity? It's simple. They start with top-notch quartz, blend it with precision and care, and then hand it over to their seasoned installers. This commitment to excellence ensures your countertop won't just look good, it'll last. Remember, a well-installed, high-quality quartz countertop, with a bit of love and care, can last for decades, making it a worthwhile investment for your home.